Welcome on the channel. Today, not final, but time for the van tour. This is Ducato campervan, built nearly on the street. Few pieces was built inside the basement, but no, it was built on the street, so sometimes the weather was limit. It's a continental layout. Means it's called continental. I don't know why, but it's continental layout with seat here, table and bed on the back. Van was built mainly, the visible part was built from lightweight ply. Invisible was made from standard ply, bit thinner, was some problems with it, but the idea was built on a chip. Of course, you cannot avoid few things. You have to spend some money for something, but let's say all wooden buttons are cut from old pallets. Many aluminium pieces is just from offcuts, what I get it. If I don't have to buy something especially for camper van or something like that, I try to, because toilet you have to buy for a camper van, no matter what you wanna do. But this is bought from the company who supply the industrial bathrooms or something like that. It was quite cheap. This induction, it isn't camper. I try for the beginning. I tried to buy the camper, but it was like 4 times more expensive, 80 quid instead of 20 or something like that. So every place I can save few pennies, I try to save few pennies. Anyway, on the front what we have, this is two swivel plates under the seats, so both seats can be turned around. And as you see, I remove this shelf. Of course I lose some storage, but I get at least some headroom. When you're sitting on these seats with this shelf on this level, it's not nice when you hit by your head. Okay, generally is nothing special. So van is basically like usually. It's a few things which are not common, and is from strange places. One of them is this window. So this is frost, but this was PLC film, so when you push the button you can see it was going outside. Motorized bunk bed steps. And that thing is sink inside the bathroom. So these three things are maybe a bit different than in others. So what we have on this side we have two small overhead cabinet with tumble door. Here we have also one overhead cabinet. It is over leg cabinet, to tell the truth, with one tumble door and two standards. And to tell the truth, plenty of storage in this kitchen unit. And of course still plenty of storage and something to finish. It's not door here, not door here, like usually. From interesting things inside the kitchen, this is my favorite invention. I have also same in a house. It means waste bin is do like that, just, and that's it. And not often common small dishwasher. Give yourself a bit of luxury. What's more, and of course small microwave. It was big problem to buy such a small one. To tell the truth, it's a one type on the market, so it's no choice. You have to buy what they gave you or nothing. And it's about, and of course it's a storage in a bathroom. What's usually in a factory, I don't know, camper vans, how you call it, to take the shower you have to take everything from inside, because it's no space, everything will be wet. So what I found I wanna do is make enough big cabinet to just lock even everything. It can be wet even with towels. As you see in this kitchen unit, I told about this dishwasher. This is 12-volt fridge. It's no gas inside the camper van, so everything is electric. I don't want to make a 3-course meals inside the camper van. Better go somewhere and eat something outside. But if you want, you can do it. It's enough big battery to power this for some time. So it's no gas inside the camper van, means the heating is also on diesel. Here's a steering panel for Truma. Like usually, under the seat is a heating system with Truma, with like a few pipes, where one is going, one outlet is here, one is a standard solution is under this seat, one in the bathroom, and two are here in a bedroom area. Plus I made outlet for heat battery compartment. This is lithium battery, so I don't want to charge them when it's under the zero. About ventilation, we have max fan on the back with remote. Quite good. In the bathroom we have standard small Fiamma with motor, but I add controller for the speed because it was too noisy, because it always works on a full speed. A few words about electric. On the first, after you switch on the BMS, always powered is a fridge. Under the condition, fridge is activate here by key. Plus heating system. All these two stuff are just activated and works when you on the BMS. The everything can be off by this switch off. You left the van and you switch everything except BMS and fridge plus heating system. After on, you can operate the switches, etc. You know, these lights, chargers, all this stuff. Lights we have split for left and right side, like as you see, not working, have to be repaired. Okay, plus in the back we have light with dimming feature. Here we have Victor battery management system. This is service. With this feature we can dump the waste and dump the fresh water. After we switch on the water, we can read the level of the water on this gauge. What more about electric? I don't know. If you have a question, just ask. It was few nice features. Nice features. It means the pocket in the top of this sliding door. Again, any questions? Leave the comment. I will try to make a video or explain something in the comments.